Okay guys, this is my project in the Flutter. We have finished placing UI from the space of the design Figma into the space of the code using Flutter SDK. Now before we continue to do the SoundScan API, here we will end the IFAO this phrase. Here we can open it for the Figma, so later when we utter the pin, if the pin is wrong, we will show the error like this. Well, here we will also later we will show the error when, for example, we do sign in the password of or the wrong email. We will also show the error. Now to display it like this, we need and the optional page from Flutter. Entirely, there is another way. We can use the function for Flutter. The name is the show snackbar, but for snackbar, as far as I know, it only appears at the bottom, and to move on it up, we need an additional page for the page itself. Here we can find it in the funded. The name is another fastbar. Now we can choose the top one. We can click the letter here. There will also be documentation in this, and we can fill each custom that is for the title of the for the color and of the title and the so. And now here we can just install. We can click in installing it selected. We can click size at bottom of the defense. Now we just copy this then we can paste it in the pub page, so we can YAML, which is the here, or want to do, because you can see the extension clap pubs in action. Now you can choose this, which is create pubs assist. You just have to install it. How to use it? It's easy. You can use Command Shift P or Ctrl Shift P if you use Windows. Then we can the type publish assist and the update credentials. Then just enter the name of the page guest, for example nether flashbar. If well, enter in will entirely and the 2D dispense. And here also for the order of the object, it will also be stored from A to the Z. For example, here is A, then C, F, G, E, and the U. So here later we will log later. If it's done, we just save it. Then we can close it. Now we can create a new file in the search session. So in this is search in the additional to the hyphen and the them, we can also end the methods of values that we can use read of resume. We will can end this. For example, the name is the search method done that. Then here we can import another flashbar. Then we can make function so custom snackbar. Here we need two methods with context. We can import from material that the context name and one more. Here we need message now. Then here we just need to call fastbar first, and the message we will it then is the message. Then for the question, here we can use the fastbar position top, so that is at the top. Now for the background color, here we will use red. We have added it yet there in it, just copy. Then we end in the them section and the color red color and the same with cons color FF, and then we can paste we save it. Now we end the background color section which is using red color. Then here we also need duration, so we will show how many seconds the snack bar is. Well, here we can show, for example, just 2 the seconds. Well, like this. There we end the counts. Then here we need to call the function that is also. Well, here we just pass the context. That's why here we need parameter context. Now we can save this. Now we can try to add in the sync in section. Let's try to click sync in first. Here we end it. When we input pin, we can go to the pin page get. Now here it works. For example, we can input this 1 2 3. Now here it will navigation to the edit pin page get, because here the return is the true. Now if we input the wrong one, for example 111, noting the happiness here. Now here we can show the snack bar, so we need to do the condition again. So if the pin tag is the same as 1 2 3 1 2 3, here we will return the value true. If not, here we message is, for example, we follow the on the Figma. Then pin you entered is wrong, please try again. Now we paste this. Now let's try again. Then we enter again. How here it will always be called. It means we need to do the condition again here. So where we will only check in the controller pin like is the equivalent to the 6. Well, we can do this like this. Now let's try to go back first. We click my pin. Now fish in the is wrong in the wallpaper, and if the correct in the navigates to the edit pin page. We will also implement this later on the orders page. For example, when we click update now, if there is an error, here we will also display the error. Likewise, we log in our register now. For example, here if it's an error, we will also display the error message that we get from the backend. Okay guys, this is final view in the login and the register. Okay, back again the video tutorial.